You may remember a groundbreaking book published in 2001, Good to Great. Why some companies make the leap while others don't. The author, Jim Collins, has spent many years researching why certain companies outperform others over the long term. And in his book, he describes good as the enemy of great. Just to clarify, a few of the great companies in Collins' books have either gone under or struggled. For them, apparently, good to great became great to good. Remember, good enough is not enough. Here is the thing. The fact that some companies survived while others did not is not the point. The point is why that happened. For some organizations, Collins researched, resolve was temporary. It became a quick fix instead of a long-term commitment. According to Collins, companies that made the leap were driven by what he described as a level 5 leader. Someone who blends genuine personal humility with intense professional will. In fact, that's his definition of resolve. Remember, having resolve is a key component of having a caring mindset, and you can't achieve long-term sustainable change without a caring mindset. In other words, resolve needs to be enduring, not temporary. Having resolve means you don't give up, you don't give in. In other words, the first of easiest solution is not always the right one. People with caring mindsets understand that. Collins maintains the best organizational leaders demonstrate an unwavering resolve to do whatever must be done to produce the best long-term results, no matter how difficult. I agree with him, but with this caveat, you also need to ensure you are straightforward, thoughtful, and accountable. I think if some of the companies that failed had embraced a star, they would have made the leap and stayed ahead. Most of us know how to construct a quick fix, and quick fixes certainly have their place. Band-aids are necessary to control bleeding while a wound heals. But the only real way to create meaningful and permanent change is by having the resolve to make a real and lasting difference.